Step is to create interactive learning material. So what we need to do is to click insert and then select pictures, this device, and then select our character. In choosing the character, there are a few things that we need to remember. So first, we need to make sure that we have PNG file. If that's not a PNG file, then you can remove the background in the PowerPoint presentation itself under format. But it would be better if you have PNG file. Second, it should be clear, not pixelated. And then third and most important thing to remember is that the character's mouth should be open. That is to make it easier to edit it later on and to make the character move its mouth. For the second part, we are now going to duplicate the picture by just copy and pasting the picture on the same slide. So Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it. Now we already have two characters. Step 2 is to crop the second image, leaving only the lower lip. Okay? So we can click format and then crop or double click the picture. So just crop only the lower lip. And to make it easier, you can zoom it in. And make sure that we will only get the lower lip of the character. Let's rotate the image like this. And then right click. Then save as picture. So let us now save the picture. Let's say lower lip to make it easier to locate later on. So upon saving, let us now proceed to step 4. Click insert and then shape. Under flowchart, we have flowchart delay. Let us click that and drag to our PowerPoint presentation. If you already have this, right click once again and then select fill. Then click picture. Now we have to work offline and click on the image that we saved earlier. Now it's already in the shape. So we can now remove the first crop image that we did earlier. Now if you notice, there is a blue outline in our shape. So we have to remove that by clicking to format. And then let us find shape outline. So in format, let's click shape outline and then let's choose no outline. So let's rotate that again like this and then let us drag the image to the character itself. So let us just resize the picture to make it appear as if it's part of the character itself. To make it appear that it's part of the picture. Next, we can now insert animation. So let's click animation and then look for animation pane. You will be having this. Okay. And then click on the lower lip. Add animation. And then select motion path. Under motion path, let us select down. And then click OK. And it will look like this. So if you notice, the movement of the mouth is so low, so we have to adjust it. The green markings means the original place. And the red one is the destination. So we're just going to adjust the red markings to make it appear as if the character is actually talking. So this one is a very difficult task, and to make it easier, we can zoom it in to easily adjust the animation path. To check if the mouth of the character is already moving, you can click play from every now and then. And if you're satisfied with the movement of the lower lip, then we can now proceed to our next step. So our next step is to click on the black arrow down in the animation pane and then select timing. This is what it looks like. Now, what we're going to do is we have to adjust the duration. So from 2 seconds, we're going to make it 1 second, which is fast. Under repeat, instead of none, we're going to make it at least 5. Let's make it 5 and see if this will work. Okay, then click OK. Now, it will be previewed. As you can see, the character seems like she's already talking. So that's already good. So we are done with our animation for the mouth of the character. Now, the character should have a dialogue. So the next step is to add a dialogue. So you can just click insert and then shape. Then choose any speech bubble that you prefer. In our background, we have Blackboard, so we can use that already as a place where we can put the dialogue on. So we just have to click once again insert and then click insert text. So just drag that to the place where you want your text to be, and then let's type the dialogue of our character. Let's just say that the dialogue of our character is, "Good day, teachers. Welcome to our webinar about digitized PowerPoint presentation." After typing, we can just resize it and change the color if you want. There we have it. We already have the dialogue.